Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ring for smart home setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Ring, first, download the Ring app from your device's app store. Open the app once it is installed. Tap on the Create Account button on the welcome screen. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements provided by the app. After entering your information, tap on Continue. You will receive a verification email. Check your inbox for this email and click the verification link provided. Return to the Ring app once your email is verified. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you'll be prompted to set up a new device. Tap on the Set Up Device button. Choose the type of Ring device you wish to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to bring your device into pairing mode. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for a successful connection. The app will search for available Ring devices nearby. Select your device from the list when it appears. Next, connect your device to your Wi-Fi network by entering your Wi-Fi password. Be sure to select a network that your Ring device is compatible with. Once connected, the app will confirm that your device is linked. You may need to complete some final setup steps specific to your device. This could include customizing settings such as motion detection or alerts. After completing all the final steps, tap on Complete Setup. Your Ring device is now registered and ready for use. Consider exploring additional features in the app to enhance your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.